Hello everybody, how are you? I am Mohammed Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is: a patient is admitted with shortness of breath, so the nurse immediately listens to his breath sounds. Which type of assessment is the nurse performing? Option 1, ongoing assessment. Option 2, comprehensive physical assessment. Option 3, focused physical assessment. Option 4, physical social assessment. The correct answer of the question, answer 3, focused physical assessment. Rationale: the nurse is performing a focused physical assessment which is done to obtain data about an identified problem. In this case, shortness of breath. Ongoing assessment is performed as needed after the initial data are collected, preferably with each patient contact. A comprehensive physical assessment includes an interview and a complete examination of each body system. A physosocial assessment examines both physiological and social factors affecting the patient. The nurse conducting a physosocial assessment would gather information about stressor, lifestyle, emotional health, social influences, copying patterns, communication, and personal responses to health and illness, to name a few aspects. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.